John, you're new here at ROMI in addition to the sales force. Just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been involved in machine tools for more than 20 years. Obviously started as a machinist many years ago. Had a good 10, 12 years doing that before moving into production engineering and then finally sales.
What area will you be covering?
Everything from the Midlands upwards, so Scotland and north of England to include the Midlands, yeah.
And you've been in the industry for quite some time. Are there any machines or technologies here at ROMI that excite you?
In particular, the latest D800 series with the new FANUC control on it. Version 5 of all the machines, all of our customers will be used to the version 4, and the version 5 really has got some fantastic updates to it.
And what impresses you about the company?
Quite a few things actually. The facility here in Rugby is fantastic. We've got training rooms dedicated for customers. We can do training on site, obviously. A great number of engineers for service and maintenance. And last but not least, the level of stock we've got. It's really, really impressive.
Good times ahead and good luck for this year.
Thanks a lot.